just be like, well, let me show you a few things you can do with our AI assistant. And that's like, boom, boom, boom. They're all pinned right there. So this is more for you all as leaders that you can now pin and unpin these chats at the top. Also, the other thing is a lot of you ask us for stats. I want to make sure you know that this is a little Easter egg in here, that when you click on this star from All Chats as leaders, it gives you an experience that we call Chat with My Chats. And so you can ask it anything about what your agents are doing, including usage and stats. So you can ask it like, hey, how many people asked you things this month, this week, who's using integrations? It can query all of it. So that's a hidden kind of Easter egg that's in there to help you manage this. And the pin chats thing is new. Scheduled chats is not in the wild yet, that we are working on that. And so you'll see I have V2 of our agent on. That V2 agent allows me to do things like say, hey, I need you to send an email to Bruce Hardy in 4 minutes telling him it's 11:45 on the West Coast. And it should create a scheduled task for that. We're doing some like final testing on this stuff. So this works. These are called cron jobs in the engineering world. And so it can create like one of these like every Monday at 3 o'clock, every Saturday afternoon. Like you can create scheduled things in here. I don't know Bruce's email, but pretend it worked for a minute.
It's an IE on the end.
Oh, that's why. So that's coming in Agent V2. Agent V2 is also quite a bit faster than Agent V1. As you can see here. That's fine. It'll find you eventually. Yeah, there you go. So this is quite a bit faster. We're testing the new Chat GPT image thing and benchmarking it against Gemini right now to see if it's any better at what we do. So far, it seems like Gemini is still better, but we'll report back on that. While this is going, I'm going to show you one other thing. I don't know how many of you have agents that consistently use, hang on, let me make sure I flip back to the current thing. How many of you have agents that use our like virtual staging type stuff? But if I go in here and I say, I want your help virtually staging this bathroom, and I do this, and you like start to get down, you'll see when I hover over this, there's a pencil on here. There's one key thing that I want you all to remember to tell your agents that are using this. If they don't select what image they're trying to edit, they're leaving it up to the LLM to pick which image they're trying to edit. And it's going to guess really poorly. Like, this is my PSA that AI is pretty dumb. And so we try to give you as many controls as we can for like selecting things. And I don't think this is a really obvious user experience that I just deleted out of how this works, that when you hit select for editing, that it'll add it down here. So just know that, like, as your agents are trying to work through photos and edit photos, if you teach them to use that little pencil icon, it will help it work a little bit better. And I broke it when I swapped back and forth between the new agent and the old agent. What else? Any other questions, thoughts, things you want to make sure that we work on? I'll give you a team meeting one that I would use coming up. We put out a guide that you all can download for free, and we used a bunch of our data to develop this. Called it's at Brokerbot.ai /getfound. And this is how you help them rank in the algorithms so that AI will mention them for whatever they do. So you can give this link out to your people. They can download it.